my lecture series of C programming. In today's class, we are going to see about the concept of structures and what is the difference between the array and structures and the advantages of structures, and how to declare an structure and how to initialize the structure variable. With an example, now we'll see that what is the difference between the array and structure. In the last video we have seen what is a array, one dimensional and two dimensional arrays. For example, array is a collection of elements of same data type. The declaration of an array is int a of 4 means the all the values and in the given variables are the same type. So that is an array. Suppose structure is a collection of elements of different data type that can be defined by the structure variable. The structure variable can occupy all the different types of data types. So this is the difference between the array and structure. So the definition is structure is nothing but it is a collection of all the elements of different data type. How you can defining a structure? So the syntax of defining the structure is the keyword struct, we have a space and followed by the structure tag, and that is a variable, that is a structure name, then followed by that open braces, and in the open braces we have a data type and variable, and data type and variable we can define many number of data types with an variable, and after that we have to close the braces and followed by the structure variables and semicolons. So this is the syntax of structure. So struct, keyword struct, then space, structure tag, then open brace, the set of different types of variables, and also close the braces with the structure variable followed by the semicolon. So this is a example of the previous syntax. So the struct tag is a student. That student should contain the what are all the records in the students. The students have the name of the students and then age and what is the branch of the student and gender. So these are all the elements are declared defined in the student record. So we have an open braces, the name should be in the character, so character name of 10, and the age is in the type of integer, and next the branch is in the character, and gender is a character, whether the person is a female or male, so that is also character. So the four elements are declared in different data types and followed by the close braces and semicolon. That is a structure definition. So next we have to declaring the structure. So once the structure is defined, the memory is allocated? No. Once you declaring the structure variable for the defining structure only, the memory is allocated for the structure variables. So the structure variable can be declared either to in the left hand side or the right hand side. So in the structure definition followed by the structure definition itself, we can define the or declare the variable, or we can declare the variable using the data type and followed by the variable format. So the first one is struct student. We have an open braces, and that student have the three elements. One is the name, other one is an roll number and marks. Then close braces, and we have the structure variable and semicolon. This is the one way of declaration. And other way is struct student and open brace and close braces. In the inside that we have a different elements, and next to that we have the struct student. Here the struct student is the data type of the given structure. Normally we have a for a variable we have a data type like int and int, float and character, but structure is a user defined data type. Here we are defining the student record using the struct keyword. So the struct student both are data type and followed by the variable and semicolon. So this is the another way of declaring the structure variable. So In now so far we have seen what is the difference between the array and structure, and how the why we need the structure instead of an array, and what is the definition of a structure, and how the structure is defined and declared in two different formats. I hope you will understand the concept of structure, and that structure is used in the mini application oriented program. Because suppose you want to create the student record, suppose you want to create the employment record, for that record information should contain the different types of data types. So for that format we use the concept of structure in C program. Thank you.